This video explains how to buy shares of ESCO Technologies Inc. ESCO Technologies Inc. is an engineering and manufacturing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ESE. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and to add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ESE to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches ESCO Technologies Inc. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the cash amount you want to allocate and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. After the order is confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.